Let's read a book. Who's making that noise? Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Who's inside? Just open wide. Toot, 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 goes the little bear. Who's making that noise? It's those noisy boys. It's not us. I wonder who dares look under the stairs. Thud, thud, thud. The chicken's jumping on the box. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Who's hiding there to give us a scare? Rattle, rattle, rattle. It's a puppy. There's a puppy under there. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Now, who do you think is under the sink? Crash, bang, crash. It's a pig playing with the pots and pans. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. It's time to explore. But which cupboard door? Nothing under there. There's a kitty cat. Ring-a-ding-ding. Ring-a-ding-ding. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Do hurry. Don't wait. Pull open that gate. Bang, bang, bang. It's a rabbit with a pan. Now, who could be making that hullabaloo? It's surely not me. It's surely not you. Look at all of them. Now who is it? Open this first and find out the worst. Shout, scream, yell, us noisy boys. Do you want to know more? Then open the door. Shriek, cry, hoot. That's who. And the noisy boys. Shh.